Hi guys, welcome to the industrial tool unboxing and review video series on D-Flow. So today we are going to unbox this XCORT Jigsaw machine. I think this video is valuable for the people who are interested in woodworking projects because a jigsaw is one of the most popular tool of every woodworker. So if you are searching for a high quality jigsaw with a low budget, this is the right video for you. So let's talk about this XCORT brand. This is from China. They're creating high quality industrial supported tools in low budget range, so that's why I recommend this product. So let's move to the price of this product. I bought it from a local distributor in Sri Lanka for 11,000. I think it's a very cheap price, but you can get a high quality jigsaw for this price, right? So let's begin with the unboxing. So first let's see what are the things mentioned on the box. So the top side you can see XCORT brand name and the watt of this motor 650 watt, and the quick jump and variable speed, and the jigsaw image, right? In the right side you can see the model name XMQ01-65. This is the model that I am unboxing today. And the bottom side you can see the specification of this jigsaw. Rated input power 220 to 240 watt, and the rated voltage 650 watt, no load speed. The capacity of wood depth is 65 mm, and the steel depth is 6 mm, and the length of stroke is 18 mm. So these are the specification of this jigsaw. Let's turn back side. On the back side of the box you can see the main features of this jigsaw. The first one is 6-speed adjustable speed regulator. The first picture you can see this speed regulator, and the second one is trigger lock button for ease of continuous operation. So we have a trigger lock button, and the third one is tree tool adjustable knob for cutting different materials. So this is one of the main feature of this jigsaw. We can adjust this knob according to our material, right? And the fourth one is thick, durable and rust resistant plate. So these are the main features of this jigsaw. Now I'm going to uncover this board box. Yeah, this is the hard plastic case of this jigsaw. It comes with a handy plastic case, right? So now I'm going to open this case. So let's see what are things inside the box, right? So first we can see the user manual of this jigsaw. It's mentioned the model name XMQ01-65 model name, and there are some additional parts inside this cover. This is the user manual of this jigsaw. We have in-depth detail of this jigsaw, how to change the blade, how to cutting by using this jigsaw. All the information about this jigsaw are available in this user manual. So I keep it aside for a moment, and there are some additional parts comes with this jigsaw. This is the, I think, wood cutting blade, jigsaw blade for cutting wood, right? And this is the hex key to adjust these nuts of this jigsaw. I keep it side. So this is our jigsaw machine, right? Ta-da! Right, you can see, as mentioned on the box, speed regulator and the trigger lock button and the adjustable knob according to the material, and the rust resistant plate, right? So this is our XCORT Jigsaw machine, right? So let's see how to work with this tool, right? So now I'm going to plug this jigsaw power cord, and let's see how to cut woods by using our jigsaw machine, right? So before we plug into the power cord, we have to insert our cutting blade to this chunk, right? To do that, we have to uncover this plastic case to access the chunk knob. So I remove this plastic cover, then you can see this chunk knob, you can access now, right? We can pull it up to insert the jigsaw blade, and then it automatically tight, and we can use the blade, right? So I'm getting the jigsaw blade which is given by this jigsaw. So when inserting this jigsaw blade, we have to consider about two things. The first one is we have to place the cutting side on the front side of the jigsaw, not in the backward side, right? So this is the correct side that we need to insert this blade to this chunk. And the second one is when we are inserting this jigsaw blade, we have to insert this blade to the chunk up to this level, right? If we are loosened, this blade can be broken while we are working, right? So now I'm going to insert this jigsaw blade to this chunk, right? Simply I can pull up this chunk, no, and then we can push this blade to the chunk, right? Now it's tight and we can start our work, right? Let's see how to cut this small piece of wood by using my jigsaw. Now I'm going to plug my jigsaw to the power cord, and let's start working. But before we start our work, we need to again insert this protective case to the jigsaw. We need to consider our safety first, right? So now I'm going to plug this to the power cord, and let's see how to cut by using this jigsaw. So now I can start my work. I press the power on button, and we need to change the variable speed to the 6 or 5 when we are cutting the woods, right? So let's see. Now it's working. Let's see how to cut this wood piece by using our jigsaw. By using my jigsaw, you can see it has a smooth cutting. So we have reached to the end of this video. In this video I have unboxed XCORT XMQ01-65 model jigsaw, and I show you how to use this jigsaw in your woodworking projects. So I recommend this product for your next buying, because this is one of the best budget high quality jigsaw that you can buy in the year 2022. So if you are searching for a high quality and a low budget jigsaw machine, this is one of the best option for you. So if you think this video is very helpful for your projects, please like and share this video with your friends, and please subscribe this channel. So thank you for watching. Goodbye.